How to use saved audio in Instagram posts. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app, tap on this reel section, then tap on this audio option right here, then save this. You have now saved an audio. But if you do not know where that saved audio will be stored, then follow me through. For that, tap on this profile icon, tap on this three-line menu bar, tap on saved. Here you can see audio. Your saved audios will be stored here. Tap on it. Select any audio you want. Then, in order to use it, tap on use audio. And that's how you do it. If you find this video useful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you got any queries, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.